Hello everyone, I'm Jerry and welcome to Frank Service Center.
We want to give you an idea of what it's like when you bring your vehicle in.
Hi, I'm Brendan.
And I'm TJ.
We'll be checking you in.
If you need to get around throughout the day, let us know. We can reserve you a loaner car when booking your appointment.
Our certified specialists will take detailed notes on your vehicle, they'll take photos, and they'll share them with us.
Next, we'll send you a comprehensive report on your vehicle and go over those findings with you.
I'll wait for you to contact me, and we can discuss the needs of your vehicle.
We'll help you prioritize and budget what needs to be taken care of now, and also help you prepare for the future.
After we agree on the best plan of action for your vehicle, one of our trained specialists will complete the work in a timely manner.
We value our customers here at Frank Service Center.
And we're dedicated to providing top quality auto repair and maintenance.
Backed with our 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty.
Call us today and make a reservation for your Frank Service Center experience.